Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to see you people here. Today we'll discuss how to handle conflicts at home and at workplace. Conflict management nowadays is very important. Either you avoid conflict or face the conflict for final solution. So you must remain peaceful to deliver best quality of output and lead a good life, for which you need to avoid conflicts. Sparing more time for homeworks will interfere badly with works at workplace because time is limited. If you put more works at home, you will be able to give less time to works because time is limited. You cannot give more time to every place. So sparing more time for homeworks will interfere badly with works at a workplace and the vice versa. The causes and consequences of conflicts must be known for proper settlement. So you must know what for the conflict is arising. Conflict is nothing but the differences of opinions, differences of interest of various situations, various people. So how to avoid conflicts at home? In this lockdown period, it's more important either to avoid or control the conflicts at home. Either to avoid or control, especially the conflicts at home, as people think and act on their own way and differences may crop up. Every household member has their own way of thinking. So variety is the spice of life. If people will think certainly on their own way, and there will be difference of opinions. So all should try to respect others and get rid of conflicts. Following points may be taken for the same, may be taken care. So one by one we'll discuss. 10 points we'll discuss now. Accept diversity of opinions. Try to separate problems and the person. Think, person is not always wrong. So accept the diversity of opinions. Listen to others empathetically. Listen. One needs to listen more. That is why 2 ears are given and only one mouth is given by God to us. Help others as much as possible. Do not expect any help in return. If you expect more, you will be in problem. Don't expect too much in return anything. Go on helping others as best as possible. Have patience. Time heals everything. Cool down fast. Try to tolerate. People who have strength can tolerate. More you tolerate, better it is for you. Understand the basic causes of difference of opinion. Realize the situation. Always think all may be wrong to some extent. So too are is human. When to take up homeworks, do not think on office works, as multitasking may cause problem. Now do your homeworks while. When you do office work, you do your office works while. Both together should not be taken up. You cannot clap on one hand while blaming others. Look at yourself first. Think for your own mistakes or shortfalls. So divide the homeworks so that it does not bother anyone too much. It should not be hard for one person. Distribute it. Conflicts arise due to differences of opinions. With right mindset, this can be resolved in following 4 ways. Either you adjust or collaborate, avoid or withdraw. So adjustment or collaboration, avoidance or withdrawing, forcing or competing. If required, you force, compete. First is compromise or accommodate. It's better to accommodate and compromise, but all depends on the situational factors, keeping in view the importance of the situation, need of the hour. So how to avoid conflicts at workplace now? We'll discuss again 10 points. So the 4 stages, as we have discussed above, can help to control conflicting conditions even at workplace also. So feel good to work in a team, respect others. So teamwork is always better. Listen adequately, then speaking too much. As we have already discussed, listen more. Be impartial, gather opinion of other team members. Validate everyone's comments. Maybe something is good with the opinion of others. Based on the nature and gravity of the problem, either delay taking a decision to let the problem die down over time, else do not postpone the decision, try to resolve conflict immediately if it deserves to be done so. So, understand the nature and gravity of the situation, gravity of the problem, and then take action. Praise others for accommodating differences of opinion, and others are accommodating difference of opinions. Praise them, be with them. Check your personal perceptions of the problem. It may require review, as perceptions may not be always correct. You should think that you may also be wrong at times. If team members fight within themselves, change the team composition. Encourage people to raise their voice. Let there be many voices to study the pros and cons. Diversity is life. Care for lack of communication, if any. If it is not suitably communicated, maybe that is the reason for conflict. So, care for lack of communication. Set up grievance redressal process. Understand the situation. Utilize the information well. Set up grievance redressal process, formal complaint procedure that will help to redress the grievances and then managing the conflicts. So conflicts must be resolved properly so that peace remains and productivity goes up. Thank you. Wish you all the best.